My name's Carol Brindley, and I am a Columbus, Ohio real estate agent with 16 years experience in the residential real estate. And I just wanted to review Listings to Leads. I've been using this program for about a year now, and I have to say that it has been a tremendous benefit to my business. Anytime I have a new listing or someone in my brokerage has a new listing, I will put it on. I will put it into the Listings to Leads database, and I do a Facebook boost, and typically I get between 10 and 30 leads with phone numbers, and it has been a fantastic boost to my database. And I only wish I had more time to use some of the great tools that are available. The open house tools, all of the suggestions, the community. It has been fantastic. So I hope that helps anyone who's thinking about joining. And I know that I will be continuing with my subscription to Listings to Leads, and have a great day.